Place me gracefully. This tool is useful to place single object on single line and make all objects single. Here we have one line object, another one is satin object. First, select line object, then with Shift key, select other, satin object. And press Place Me Gracefully button. Here you can see that object is placed gracefully on line object. If we want to make changes in all object, select the object and press Reshape button, or use shortcut key N to reshape object. After reshape, make changes you want in first satin object, and again press shortcut key N to make change in all object.